Hello friends, hope you all are doing great and are safe. In this video, we'll be seeing the recipe for Dilkush or coconut buns. It's a very simple recipe provided you watch the video till the end and follow all the directions. So without any further ado, let's see what are the ingredients required for making the dough. So let us see as to what are the ingredients required. Here I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 50 grams of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of yeast. I have used active dry yeast, and then 200 ml of warm milk. To begin with, I have 100 ml of warm milk here. Into it, I'm adding in the sugar and the yeast. Now let's mix this. Allow this to rest for 5 to 7 minutes. You can see here that after allowing the yeast and milk mixture to sit for 5 minutes, the yeast has risen well and it's become frothy. So it's ready now. Here I've taken the all-purpose flour in a large mixing bowl and I'm adding in salt into it. And let's give it a good mix. I'm going to create a small well in the middle of this flour. Mix the milk and the yeast mixture and add it into the dough and start kneading it by adding the melted butter and the milk a little at a time. Initially the dough will be sticky, but as you knead, it would come to the right consistency. So once you knead it into a soft dough like this, let's add some oil. I'm adding olive oil over it. Coat the dough and the mixing bowl with the oil and cover the mixing bowl with a cling film and allow it to rest for at least 1 hour. Now let us see what are the ingredients required for the filling. Let us see as to what are the ingredients required for the filling. So here I have 1 cup of tutti frutti, and then I have 1 cup of shredded coconut, 1/4 cup of kishmish, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon of ghee, and I also have 2 tablespoons of roughly chopped cashew nuts. All you need to do is just add in all the ingredients into a mixing bowl and mix everything together. That is it, our filling is ready. It's been 1 hour and you can see the dough has risen well. Let's remove the cling wrap and punch down the dough so as to release any air in it. And then we'll have to knead the dough for a few minutes. Now divide the dough into 2 equal halves and roll one of the halves into a thin, uniform, circular shape. Once done, transfer it onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper and let's start adding the filling over it. Give a 1-inch gap all around the edges. Once done, let's roll the other half of the dough into a similar thin, uniformly spread circular shape. Now brush some water all around the edges of this dough. Once done, let's lay the second portion of the dough over the first one and seal all the edges. Now cover this and keep it aside for at least 30 minutes so that the dough gets proofed. It's been 30 minutes and the dough has got proofed well. Let's apply some fresh milk over the dough, and we'll also be putting some slits over it so that air escapes while it bakes. Now's the time to pop the tray into a preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Our Dilkush has baked and come out of the oven. While it is still hot, rub some butter over it. This helps in keeping the outer soft and moist. So there you go, our Dilkush is ready to be served. So friends, I hope you all liked this video of mine. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I'm very glad to have you here. Please do not leave without hitting that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it, so as to stay updated of all the new videos which I post onto my channel. Until I see you all the next time, eat healthy, eat homemade, and stay safe. Take care. Bye-bye.